MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional duct sealing in Pottstown, PA, helping improve HVAC efficiency, indoor comfort, and energy savings. Leaky ductwork can allow conditioned air to escape into unused spaces, causing uneven temperatures and higher utility bills. Our experienced technicians inspect your duct system, identify leaks, and apply effective sealing solutions to restore proper airflow and system performance. Properly sealed ducts help your heating and cooling system operate more efficiently while improving indoor air quality. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable duct sealing in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy enhanced comfort, reduced energy costs, and better HVAC performance year-round. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a duct sealing near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides duct sealing services in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional duct sealing services in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking to improve HVAC efficiency and indoor comfort. What is duct sealing and why is it important? Duct sealing is the process of identifying and sealing leaks, cracks, and loose connections within an HVAC duct system. What is your duct sealing in Pottstown, PA? Our duct sealing has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown pa/.